Located on the eastern edge of Las Vegas, Sunrise Manor is a hardworking community where local businesses keep the wheels turning. From mobile services and mom-and-pop shops to construction crews and cleaning teams, this is a place built on consistency and grit. When you're running a business here, time matters, and waiting for funding just isn't part of the plan. That's where New York Fast Funding steps in. We offer fast, simple, and flexible financing made for businesses that can't afford to wait. If you've been in business for at least 6 months and bring in $10,000 or more a month, you're already on your way to approval. In places like Sunrise Manor, where small business keeps the local economy moving, access to fast funding is essential. That's why we help you move forward, without hard credit checks, endless forms, or wasted time. Don't let delays hold you back. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.